Welcome to the Explainer. So, if you're dealing with that very real, very exhausting thing we call AI subscription fatigue, yeah, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Today, we're diving into a platform called AiZolo. We're looking at exactly how it aims to basically cure that fatigue, consolidate your entire workflow, and completely change how you interact with AI on a day-to-day basis.
Section 1. The AI subscription problem. Fragmented and expensive. $110. That is the massive monthly sticker shock a lot of us are facing right now. I mean, think about it. If you want top-tier models for your workflow, say ChatGPT for standard tasks, Google Gemini Pro for research, Perplexity Sonar Pro for deep dives, Claude for long-form writing, and throw Grok in there too, you're easily shelling out $20 to $30 a month for each service. Add it all up, boom, a staggering $110 every single month just to stay competitive.
And honestly, paying for all these separately doesn't just drain your wallet, it creates this immense cognitive overload. You're constantly jumping between tabs, copying, pasting, and trying to manage a crazy web of logins. It's a mess. But the alternative being proposed here is a single, totally manageable ecosystem. Everything included, unified right there in one simple dashboard.
Section 2. The all-in-one solution. A unified AI workspace.
Enter AiZolo's next-gen AI workspace. This is where things get really cool. You can actually chat with GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini simultaneously. Literally, you type in one single prompt and you get responses from all the top models side by side. You can instantly compare them and grab the absolute most accurate answer without second-guessing yourself.
Section 3. Powerful AI generators, a creative suite included.
Now, usually you'd have to go out and buy completely separate media software for this stuff, right? Which, let's be real, can easily cost you another $50 to $100 a month. But here, those premium generators are built right in. We're talking state-of-the-art text-to-video with HD output. We've got AI image generators churning out photorealistic stuff using models in the style of DALL-E and Midjourney. And it even includes an AI audio generator for making music and natural voice synthesis. It's like having a full professional creative studio right at your fingertips, all under one roof.
Section 4. Smart Workflow Management, streamlining your work.
Which brings us perfectly to the Smart Prompt Manager. Look, if you use AI a lot, you know crafting that absolute perfect prompt takes serious time and testing. Well, with this feature, you can build a reusable, totally categorized library of your best prompts. Save it with one click, and you've got instant access across all your chats, meaning you never have to retype some massive, complex, multi-paragraph instruction ever again. A real lifesaver.
Coupled with that is the AI memory feature, which honestly solves one of the biggest headaches of using chatbots, having to constantly repeat yourself. AiZolo persistently remembers your formatting preferences, your past conversations, and your context. So you don't have to start from square one every single session. It learns exactly how you like your data presented, making the output way more personalized and relevant every time you log in.
But what if you already have, hundreds of important chats saved up in your current accounts? Well, you can seamlessly migrate your existing conversation history directly from ChatGPT or Claude right into the platform. It's a simple one-click import that preserves your entire chat history, so absolutely none of your valuable past work gets lost in the transition.
And for the developers and power users out there, you can securely bring your own custom API keys. They keep them locked down with heavy encryption, which allows you to enjoy unlimited token usage within their interface. The wildest part? This feature is actually supported on their free plan. So yeah, you can manage your own raw API calls without even paying for a subscription.
Section 5. Pricing and real savings. Affordable AI access.
The feedback loop from users has been really strong on this. Just looking at what content creators like Sarah Lee have said, it's clear there's a natural hesitation at first, but users are quickly validating that this approach translates into incredible, tangible savings, all without sacrificing usability. In fact, to give you a true sense of how these capabilities look in a real workflow rather than just talking about it, let's take a quick look at this official OpenAI product demo showcasing the writing and image tools in action right now.
Okay, so breaking down those pricing tiers. As we mentioned, the free plan includes that custom API support. But then, for $9.90 a month on the Pro plan, you get access to all the premium models, 3 million tokens a month, and all the media generators. That is access to over 2,000 AI tools. And if you're ready to commit to the yearly plan at $99.90, you save an extra 17%. Pretty solid. Which brings us to this crucial number, $1,092.
By cutting out all those fragmented $20 a month subscriptions and moving to a consolidated $9.90 month model, active users are projected to save over $1,000 a year, all while actually upgrading their workflow capabilities. That's huge.
Ultimately, the central takeaway from everything we've looked at today is really about taking back control. It's about organizing your workflow, finally cleaning up those endless browser tabs, and getting a real handle on your monthly software budget. It's about bringing some much-needed order to the wild, chaotic frontier of generative AI.
Which leaves us with this final thought to chew on. When you finally consolidate the power of a complete AI arsenal into a single dashboard, how much mental bandwidth, and frankly, how much capital, do you actually unlock for your real work? Taking a hard look at your current tech stack might just be the most productive move you make this year. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep exploring.